This is the Seauto Crab pool cleaner. I guess it kind of looks like a crab. Kinda. I bet it doesn't move side to side like a crab. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Seauto Crab Robot Pool Cleaner. We'll be taking a look at the price, what you get in the box, give you an overview of this, and talk about all the features and kind of show you the pool cleaner in action. And then last, I'm going to share my final thoughts. The Seauto Crab Robot Pool Cleaner retails for about $400, but it is often on sale like it currently is for $360. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in checking out current pricing. In the box, you're going to get the pool cleaner itself, the user manual, a hook to pull it out of the water. Now, with the hook, you don't get the pole. You're going to have a pole you should have a pole by now if you've got a pool. But the pool pole is going to be for like a net or something like that. This will connect into it. And then you're going to get the charger. So here's an overview of it. You have the hook here, so that way you can bring it out of the pool. It's right here. You have an LED light right here for an indicator light. Power button right there. Charging port right there. It has these two little contacts right here, and once it senses water and it's on, it will start moving, and that's what allows this to, or at least lets it know what to do. Now when you pull out of the water, it no longer contacts that. Charging port's right here underneath the rubber flap. This is like an exhaust port of some sort. Then you got the bin here, and this came out of the water, so that's why it's all kind of foggy like this. We'll remove it and see what's in there after it cleaned. You got a front scrubber right here, and you got the track, those like tank tracks like this right here. Let's go flip it upside down here. So here's on the bottom side, you got these scrubbers right here, the front and back, and you have this little, I guess a little guide on both sides here. Will allow it to suck into the vacuum port, so it scrubs it and pulls it in. And then you got here's the tracks, like we were talking about on both sides. Here's the removable battery, which is really nice. This removable battery allows you to change it out if the battery ever dies or anything like that. It's easier serviced than most others that I've seen. Because I'm pretty sure that the battery is the thing that pretty much craps out on these. So that's nice that it has a serviceable battery. And then right here, looks like you got some type of sensor. I'm not exactly sure what sensor it is, if it's sonar or anything like that, but that's a sensor so that it can see where it's going, or at least see how close it's to the wall or that type of stuff. This pool cleaner is very versatile and able to clean many different types of pool designs, such as a rectangle pool, a round pool, a kidney-shaped pool, I almost said kidney stone, and customized sized pools. As long as the pool is under 1,614 square feet and doesn't have a slope greater than 90 degrees, it will clean it. 89-degree slope. Can it do it? I don't have one, but I'd like to see it do it. It also adapts to different floors such as fiberglass, PVC foil, pebble stone, and ceramic tile. So it can adapt to quite a few different pools out there. I went ahead and charged this thing up before I put it in the pool. To turn it on, you got to press the top button and it'll talk to you. It talks to you.
Welcome to the Seauto cleaning robot. I'm ready to work. Now it's all cover mode.
It tells you what mode it's on, if it's turning on and turning off. You can have it clean the floor only, walls only, and you can have it clean the floor and the walls. Let's get the thing in the pool and test it out. right, so it's done cleaning. We're gonna go ahead and take this off. So we take these clips off, and then this removes. And now you have the filter basket that removes. So the filter basket has these two clips that unclip from the sides here. And so you can see how much dirt and all that. So you can run this through a hose and get it all clean. Now to reinstall, you'll put it back in, clip, make sure it clips in like that. And then this sits right back in here. So this has the 3 prongs right here. And they go 3 prongs right in there. And these have to clip in down here. So first, you want to get them in. And then it will clip in. There you go, clips in. And now we can clip these back in. And we're good to go for the next time. We got to charge it up and ready to go. Here are my final thoughts on the Seauto crowd. This robot pool cleaner has a lot of great features at a fairly low price. It can not only clean the floor, but it also cleans the walls and the water line. It uses a brushless motor for better efficiency and a longer lifespan. It has intelligent path planning, so it covers the whole pool versus maybe running around aimlessly hoping it covers the whole pool. What sets this pool cleaner apart from others in this price range is the replaceable battery, as well as detachable design so that you can clean out any blockage whenever it happens. One of the few things for this pool cleaner is it does not climb steps, and it does not clean the water line. This usually isn't a big deal. Most robotic pool cleaners don't clean the water line anyways. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comments section down below. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.